How to delete PrizePicks account. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you ways to delete and deactivate your PrizePicks account. So as you can see that I am in the official article page in PrizePicks, and here when you scroll down you will see can I deactivate my account, and it says that yes, members can delete their account if they no longer want to play on the PrizePicks platform. If you're making the decision because you are concerned about your health and safety, or if you're struggling with issues related to problems gaming, please refer to our responsible gaming page and follow the instructions there. So if you want to deactivate your account, you have to click on the responsible gaming tab and follow the instruction from that particular page and continue deactivating your account. And if you want to delete your account for a different reason, you can navigate to the settings page and using the top left corner of the app. And if you're using the web browser, the menu will be in the top right corner. From there, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and select delete account in the red letters. So if you decide to give PrizePicks another try later on, you can reactivate your original account then. So this is basically how you will be able to delete your PrizePicks account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.